Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today we're going to give the little Fiesta a treat. We're going to give it its first wash in I don't know how long. Now, I must add that this is not my car, but as you can see it's rather mucky on top. There's actually lichen growing on it in places. Yeah, quite dirty, so it's going to take a couple of washes, I think. A careful first wash. Have a look under here. You can see all the areas where there are seams. It's just grimed in along the bottom of the windscreen. Even spiders' webs, as you can see over there, glistening in the sun. Now the wheels are in pretty good condition apart from a lack of cleaning. Signs of a cat that's been on it, if you can see it in the sun. And of course the headlamps could do with a polish to bring them back to life. So let's get on and see what. I think we're going to get caught in another thunderstorm very soon, so let's just have a quick look at what the wash has done. It was only a very quick wash just to see if it had come up and the paint was going to come up okay, and it looks like there's a good depth of colour there. As I say, it's only a very quick wash. just to see if we can get most of the marks off, which we have done. And the roof, as you can see, is looking a lot better. It's not perfect. There's still some residue on there, but that's going to take a bit of polishing out, I think, and perhaps a better clean. But all in all, I think that's come up quite well. I haven't washed the wheels, by the way. I do have a pressure washer and a snow foam lance, but unfortunately my hose pipe is not long enough to get out the back here, so I'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. But yeah, a lot better, as you can see. But as I say, that's not the end of it. Once it's dry, I'll come back to it tomorrow and do all the nooks and crannies, the crevices, as you can see there. It's still got all the gunk in there, so all the edges and inner seams have got to be done around the windows. That trim there is hiding a bit of stuff, and of course then there's the door jambs. As you can see here, it's really cruddy. So yeah, that's all got to be done. So that'll come very shortly. Of course the exterior is only half the job really, so then we come to the interior, which I'll do in another separate video. It's in quite good condition apart from being a bit mucky. The seats need a good clean, as you can probably see. Carpets need a good going over, but in general it is very good. The back seat's probably the worst. It's had stuff carted around in it. No rips or tears or any damage. In fact, I hardly think the back's been used. So that should be a relatively straightforward job, just a little bit of elbow grease.